Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited accounts. On the application of Truecaller, you will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Truecaller and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we go to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and